Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel DIY Natural Skincare. So today let's make a very simple DIY facial toner for mature skin. It requires only 4 great ingredients. So let's dig in what we have here. So the first ingredient, what we're gonna use a rose hydrosol. As you know, rose flowers has so many great benefits for skin, especially for mature skin, starting to age skin. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial properties. It helps to maintain the natural pH levels and controls the excess oil into your skin, so it's really good for your skin. The next ingredient, what I have in here, I have made myself a hibiscus flower glyceride, which, as you know, hibiscus plant as well, it's like a flower plant. In general, it's an anti-aging plant, so it has so many great benefits. It softens the skin, it has anti-wrinkle properties, you know, it smoothens the skin. It's packed with antioxidants and it increases elasticity in the skin, and it thus firms your skin and lifts your skin up. It's a natural youth booster, you know. So hibiscus glycerite, it's a very good ingredient to have in your toner, and as well because it contains glycerin, it's gonna act as a humectant, which is gonna lock the moisture into your skin as well. The next one, I have in here active ingredient. The active ingredient is glycolic acid. It does reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It is a pretty strong alpha hydrochloric acid, and what it does, it has a very small molecules which penetrates deeper into your skin. And what it does, it works as an exfoliant and removes the dead skin cells. That's why your skin looks more younger, more smoother, brighter. It's very good for fighting acne. It helps to fade the hyperpigmentation, and it's very excellent in hydrating your skin. And of course, we don't forget a broad spectrum and water-based Costgard Preservative, because all these, it's going to be water-based ingredients. So, no further ado, let's go and make in this little 60 ml glass bottle with this spray our facial toner for mature skin. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna just take out my scales, little beaker here, putting on, tearing out the scales, and I'm just gonna now measure the rose hydrosol. So the whole formula and recipe you will find in the description box below as usual. So I'm using 78.5% of the whole formula rose hydrosol. So I'm not using any distilled water, I'm not mixing any other hydrosols or anything, because this is a facial toner. How we're gonna use, we're gonna just spray it straight onto the skin or spray it on the cotton bottom, and we're just gonna wipe it off and leave it onto the skin. So in total it's 47.1 grams of rose hydrosol. Okay, I have it here. Now what we're gonna need, I'm gonna tear out the scales, and I'm just gonna add now a glycolic acid. We're gonna use a 10% of glycolic acid, which is 6 grams, because we're making 60 grams of it. So 6 grams of glycolic acid. Okay. And now just mixing everything truly, making sure it's gonna dissolve. Okay. Putting on this, tearing out the scales, and now we're gonna add a hibiscus glycerite, which is 10% of the whole formula as well. So it's another 6 grams of hibiscus glycerite, which is gonna give such a lovely deep pink color. Look at this beauty. And we're just gonna mix everything together. Okay, look at this pretty color. So okay, the next one, what we need to do, we need to check the pH level, because we're using glycolic acid, and glycolic acid, what does it says on the bottle? To work as an active ingredient, to work it properly, it has to be between 3.8 and 4.3 pH. Okay, so let's check what does it shows now, and we'll see, do we need to decrease the pH level or increase the pH level? Okay. And you know what? This is kind of perfect, because that's exactly what it shows. It shows like 3.5. It's between 3 and 4 of pH with a little red, as you see on the top. So that is very good. I don't need to do anything, but what I need to do now, I just need to add a preservative, Costgard Preservative, because it's all water ingredients, and this is going to be only 0.5% of the whole formula, which is 0.3 grams. 0.3 grams, so it's going to be literally a few drops. Okay, so it was like about 5 drops or something. And now we're just gonna mix it everything very well. And let's check the pH levels again. And yes, the pH levels doesn't change. It's exactly again between 3 and 4. That's perfect. And this smell from the rose hydrosol has such a lovely rose smell, and look at this beautiful, like literally deep pink color, which is gonna give us a hibiscus. What we're going to do it now, we're just gonna transfer into this bottle. It's just perfect. Look at this beautiful facial toner for mature skin, packed with such amazing ingredients. Lovely. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? And it smells divine. Wow, wow. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you next week. Bye.